My name is Carlos. I'm the CEO of Affinity, an IT global consulting company specialized in the Nearshore services and also in the cloud software development. We have offices in Lisboa, Porto, but also in the area. We are now based in 3 continents, Europe, South America, and North Africa also. At this point, we work with more than 100 clients all over Europe. We have one of the biggest IT talent database in Portugal, with more than 30,000 candidates that are already selected and prepared to move forward building teams. My experiences from these last 11 years of working with different clients all over Europe that every kind of company in every kind of sector can benefit largely in working with in an IT Nearshore model. You can save costs in your projects or in your operations because in Portugal at this point the labor costs are more competitive comparing to other geographies. You can have much more flexibility because you can totally refine and adapt your capacity needs in terms of your business. There are two main aspects that lead to the success of an IT Nearshore operation, and typically it's the quality of the communication, but also the quality of the collaboration. So there are simple things that we can, since the beginning, define. For example, define clearly what will be the moments of meetings, what will be the moments of the feedback, independently if you are speaking with the management team, the technical team, or the sponsor team. It's very important to schedule all over the year moments to work together, either locally in the headquarters of the client, or then inviting the client to be with us for a couple of days, a couple of weeks, in different moments of the year, to build the glue between the whole team, the client and the supply team, all over the year. My experience says that one of the most important things to lead an IT Nearshore project to be a success is to work with a partner that is very close to you in terms of culture, that sees the world, I would say, in the same way, share the same values. At Affinity, our motto is a lifetime experience. That means that all we do, all our strategy every day is aim to develop long-term relationships with our clients, but also with our people.